Think you packed everything for your dream cruise? Well, some of those harmless items in your suitcase could actually get you stopped at security or even kicked off the ship. Welcome back to Cruise Reveal Zone, where we uncover everything cruise lines don't want you to learn the hard way. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our crew of smart cruisers. Now, let's dive right into the top 10 banned items you should never pack for your cruise.
Number 10. Irons and steamers. You might want your clothes wrinkle-free, but cruise ships completely ban irons and garment steamers. Why? Because they're a serious fire hazard. Ships have thousands of cabins, and one spark from an iron could cause a dangerous onboard fire. Instead, most ships offer ironing services or self-serve laundry areas with approved equipment.
Number 9. Extension cords and power strips without surge protection. We all love our gadgets, but surge-protected power strips and long extension cords are not allowed. They can overload circuits and even cause electrical fires at sea. If you need extra outlets, bring a cruise-approved power cube. No surge protection, just extra plugs and USB ports. Number 8. Alcohol and liquor beyond the limit. Every cruise line has its own alcohol policy, but here's the rule. You can't bring unlimited booze on board. Most allow one bottle of wine or champagne per adult at embarkation. Anything more gets confiscated. Hard liquor, beer, or large quantities of alcohol are banned because cruise lines want to control safety and discourage excessive drinking. Trying to sneak it in? Not worth it. Security scanners will find it. Number 7. Candles, incense, and open flames. That romantic candlelight moment? Unfortunately, not happening. Anything with an open flame, candles, incense, matches, or lighters, is strictly banned. Even a small candle can cause a cabin fire. If you want ambiance, bring LED candles or battery-powered tea lights instead.
Number 6. Weapons or self-defense items. It might sound obvious, but people still try to bring them. Guns, knives, pepper spray, tasers, handcuffs, and martial arts weapons, all completely forbidden. Even small pocket knives or replica weapons will be confiscated at embarkation. Cruise ships have trained security teams, so there's no need to bring your own protection.
Number 5. Vapes, e-cigs, and smoking devices in cabins. While many ships have designated smoking areas, vaping or smoking in your cabin or balcony is a big no-no. It's not just about smell, it's a major fire risk. Most cruise lines monitor smoke detectors in every cabin, and violations can lead to fines or even being removed from the cruise. Stick to the approved deck areas if you need a puff. Number 4. Hot plates, coffee makers, and toasters. You might love your morning coffee or nudes, but personal heating appliances are not allowed. Anything that generates heat, like toasters, kettles, rice cookers, or hot plates, is banned for safety reasons. Cruise lines provide 24/7 free coffee and tea, and specialty coffee is available onboard cafes anyway. So leave the kitchen gadgets at home. Number 3. Hoverboards, scooters, and electric fans. They look fun, but hoverboards, electric scooters, and other battery-powered rideables are a huge fire risk due to lithium batteries. Even small plug-in fans are banned on some lines because they draw extra power from limited cabin circuits. If you want better airflow, bring a battery-operated mini fan instead. Number 2. Illegal drugs and CBD products. It doesn't matter if it's legal in your country. Marijuana, CBD oil, and any illegal drugs are absolutely forbidden. Cruise lines operate under international maritime law, which is far stricter. Even if your medication contains THC or cannabis extract, you could be denied boarding or even arrested at port. Always carry prescription meds in labeled containers and declare them if needed.
Number 1. firearms, ammunition, or explosives of any kind. And at number 1, the most serious banned item, firearms and ammunition. This includes handguns, bullets, fireworks, flares, or anything that resembles a weapon. Cruise lines scan every single bag, and if you're caught, the consequences are serious: immediate denial of boarding and possible legal action. Ships have armed security officers, so passengers bringing their own weapons is both unnecessary and illegal. Bonus tip: restricted items that surprise people. Some everyday things can also cause problems. Drones, walkie-talkies, and even clothes irons disguised as gadgets make it flagged. If you're unsure, always check your cruise line's official banned items list before sailing. It's better to be safe than to lose your gear at embarkation.
And there you have it, the 10 banned items you should never bring on a cruise ship. Packing smart means you'll breeze through embarkation, avoid delays, and enjoy your trip stress-free. Remember, cruise security takes safety very seriously, so double-check before you zip that suitcase shut. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Cruise Reveal Zone, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new cruise tip, mistake guide, or ship reveal. Tell us in the comments below, which banned items surprised you the most? Until next time, sail smart and stay safe.